Welcome to the course on SQL Fundamentals and Dashboard Creation with Amazon QuickSight. My name is Paula Ruges, and I'll be your instructor through this exciting journey into the world of data analysis and visualization. In this course, we'll dive into the fundamentals of SQL, which is a widely used language for working with relational databases, and Amazon QuickSight, a powerful tool for creating interactive dashboards. Whether you're a beginner or you have some experience with data analysis, this course is designed to provide you with essential skills and knowledge to effectively work with SQL and create visual appealing dashboards. Let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Paula Ruges, and I'm thrilled to be your instructor for this course. I have been working as a data analyst cross-functional for the last 7 years, helping organizations make data-driven decisions and uncover insight for their data. Throughout my career, I have used SQL and various data visualization tools for transforming raw data into meaningful information that drive business growth. I'm passionate about teaching and sharing my knowledge with others, and I'm excited to guide you through this course to help you develop these skills needed to become proficient in SQL and create compelling dashboards with Amazon QuickSight. Thank you for choosing this course to embark you on your SQL and dashboard creation journey. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in SQL, understand the basics of relational databases, and be able to create insightful dashboards with Amazon QuickSight. I'm here to support you every step of the way, and I encourage you to actively participate in the course, complete the exercise, and ask questions whenever you need clarification. Remember, practice is key, so make sure to apply what you learn to real-world scenarios. Get ready to unleash the power of SQL and create impactful dashboards with Amazon QuickSight. Let's dive in and begin this exciting learning journey together.